ukuthi ungichazele ngoba kune enye video ithi uBabes ungathi uthi yo bayathakatha like ngaphandle angazi ukuthi uyibonile le video ongathi bekuwena or beku somebody agqobisa something lapha eminyangweni bekuwena
ngibonile asifani asimile ngokufana anginankinga nalokho ngisho ngathiwa futhi uyaphindwa uyayiveza anginankinga nakhona ekhaya lakhe angivakashi mina njalo mina ngisethi kakhulu ke mina ongafiki inhlobo iqiniso lami nje mangalikhuluma angikaze ngikhulume nale yangane into ongayazi ngo2017 angikaze ngikhulume naye ingadakiwe angimazi nje mina ekumasopa senses angimazi ngihambe nje amanga kodwa mina futhi ohleze njani emvikela empini zokubaka nanga umhlaka 19 wayenempi ayenzayo azafuna ukushisa ngisho manje inkosi ngalento ngempepho le emthola eyedwa manje inkosi lapha engasakwazi kwenza lutho umntakama kodwa mina futhi engamlamulela ulezo inkinga abantu abasendlini abayithandanga leyo nto uma wakhe wazi waphuma wabaleka kodwa uma wami wayelokhu ethuli noma wami ugadwe kanga ukuthi uzokwenza into eronke yena wayelokhu ethuli nje uma nami futhi ngimkhuza wangilalela futhi wazwasha ngiyakulalela sisiphi ngoba wena okhulumayo wangathi mina uyenzelani into ebhlungu kangaka umbona manje umbona ukuthi ukuba kushuthi akakwazanga umemeza uMandla Nkosi ngabe washa endlini sina singale igcineni udumuzi kodwa lokho futhi asange sifune ukuthi kube yimpi sakhuluma ngakho nje samtshela ukuthi nje egcineni fanele ulalile ngoba kade uyoperforma awukho right wa umuntu ongalali akuba kuliwa kwalesilwane sakhuluma ngaso sene sila endlini sasithe ngoyena iaccount yakhe Mandla Nkosi ayike account yakhe ethi ngaleso silwane bekholelwe ngoba babuya kugobela wabo obatshelile ugobela wabo wathi kuneyinkinga ezibashaya nesebashayile that's why thina noma masifika khona sanabo ukushisa leyo mbepho sathi akayishiseleni uMandla Nkosi ngoba uyena uhambe waya kumuntu sasidiniwe futhi sasingadubili sathi siyamsupport kuloko abona ukuthi kuzomsiza
so beyini uyigqobisa lapha eminyangweni kahle kahle
mina ngikho ngikuphi mina
oh so ubani ogqobisa yini uyamazi umuntu
angimazi abanye basebenzi sakhe labo cousin bakhe uMandla Nkosi abafona bathi uanti usiza khona bebechaza manje lo andinama angimazi ukuthi angatholana kanjani ayisho yena ukuthi uyena yini lo uyayibona yini mina lapha njengoba ngiye ngomhla 19 mhlawumbe ngagcina sishutha uShowmax naye kuzolontshwa utshwala bamandla Nkosi ukuthi idate angisayazi kodwa bekuNovember nakhona futhi ngigcina la ngingenile khona yabona ngingene khona angiphithizeli nje ngoba manje uswayitshele kahle ngesikwiza sami ukuthi umuntu onjani so manje angizwani nokhuluma okuningi kodwa ngiyaqaphelisisa ngisheze ngibheka amehlo ngiyabona ukuthi ngibhekile ngafuna noma alimali angifuni naye futhi alimazwe so into engicasula kakhulu mesethi lapha ngiyamxolela uma asazi ukuthi uma wenzeni yini le yamxolela kuyona ngiyibona lo lengane ngemthetho ngempela angiyazi lento yayo ngoba incane ifunde mina nengane engangayo even mina yami ingane manje isemzini womuntu iganile angiyazi indaba yengane mina engamhloniphi umuntu omdala angiyazi mina ingane evele isho into engekho nje eqaleni angazi abanye omama bakhulisana nezabe ingane angizange ngiphume emshadweni wami ngoba kuthiwa khona into eyenzakalile khona ukuyisithola okuthile kwabantu and awukho umbango khona ngoba asizobanga ini asazi lutho asazi ngisho ukuthi ubehamba kumandla simazi nokuthi unani kodwa wayesitshelile ukuthi indlu yayirenda yayibona leyo nto
barenta indlu lapha bebahlala khona
besike sifike lapha enenkinga uMandla Nkosi enganayo imali kuyena futhi mhlawumbe ufonile wozana sihlangabezana nezincwadi mina ngiyakuthanda ukufunda vele bekuthi mhlawumbe athi angigcinele ikhabethe le ngithi ngiyabheka la hayibo indaba lendlu ikwelede kwenze njani uyabo leyo nto athi angiqambela mangibone mina ukuthi hayibo phela ngeke esikoleni ngile kancane manje yindaba kuthiwa yena ngizophuma emva kokuthi mawenza into njengale yabo ngilala nje ngikhumbula kahle sene sathi singene esangweni kona lonyaka lo uqala lo kade kusande kusuka iCovid ayilo lo odlule kusanda kudedeleka nje indaba yeCovid sengahamba sathi yafika lapha safika aluma uyisheriff of course yini leyana ayifikile ihamba neagent imoto ezo2 wasichazela lo ukuthi ufuna ukwazi usikabani lana sachaza thina sathi kuhlala uMandla Nkosi Maphumulo wasethena ngize ngaye washiya incwadi engakanani ekhomba khona ukuthi fanele baphume endlini kuneyikwelete ekhona yayibona leyo nto so si awe indaba yendla singankinga nayo
so
yini lena
bekunesikhathi ngikhuluma noMandla antshela ukuthi bafuna ukuthenga indlu both lapha eDurban and then lapha also lapha eJozi. So bazothenga kanjani, imali bezophuma kuphi? Beyikhona imali beyakolota nje o beyangakazi kubhadala isikoloto zabo.
Ile nto engixakayo ke mina wathi yena leyandlu angasingayinali lapha ni ubani urent ubuy njalo ubuya bese emuva nama-payment kanjalo yayibona leyo nto abuya asitshela ukuthi yini ngingazi state bani ngala yini wathi ufuna ukuthenga ngani umsethengile ne-state bani indlu asizinaki kakhulu izinto lezi zakhe because asimquestion ngenangemali yakhe yayibona leyo nto.
Mampintsha's sister Pinky has spoken out for the first time through an interview with Chisel Live recently about the weekend that Mampintsha died. She said that she does not remember when was the last time that Babes Wodumo was actually sober, you guys. She said that Babes Wodumo has been intoxicated each and every single day. She also said that she was surprised at the funeral when Babes Wodumo made that speech that included Mampintsha's mom saying that she had forgiven her for her sins because her mom has never done anything bad to her. She also dropped a huge bombshell that the house that she and Mampintsha lived in was rented. It did not belong to them. She also said that the video which Babes posted on her social media claiming that it was her practicing witchcraft at Mampintsha's home, it was not her, and that she and the lady who was seen on that video do not even have the same height or weight. She said that the last time that she spoke to Babes was back in 2017, and Babes has been drunk ever since 2017. Now there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.